Hello there, welcome to my channel. Let's talk today about the Cinnado D1 2K SD card setup. So this is an indoor camera, and if you don't want to use the SD card, you just need to insert here on the slot, right? Let me just show how it works. Basically, I'm going to use this card here. It's a Lexar card. I'm gonna leave the link in the description because you need to get a good SD card for this camera, one that works fine, okay? So the first thing that you have to do is just to turn off your camera. It's a good idea to turn it off so you can insert the SD card safely. And here you see that you have this slot here. We just need to move the lens up, then you're going to see the slot here, and I'm going to insert the SD card that way. See that I just get it here, and I insert in this position, okay? Then I push until I hear click. There we go. Then I can bring it down. Okay, nice. Then you just plug your power adapter again here and wait for the camera to do the pan and tilt movement. Let me just put here in this position. See that the camera is going to move horizontally with the pan movement, and also it's going to move vertically with the tilt movement. There we go. Just need to wait for the camera to finish this movement. And then you're gonna use the app to set up the SD card, okay? You need to format the SD card and start using it. So the camera is looking up and down, it's moving here, and I'm just put in a different position here so you see what's back there. There we go. And here on the cell phone, you're gonna need to use this app. That's the Wansview Cloud app that works with this Cinnado camera. So I have already working here. So I just open it up, you see that's working back there, right? And I have the camera working. And then what I can do now is just come here and set up the SD card. So I come here to the settings, and you see memory card storage available. If you don't have your SD card inserted there, you're not gonna see this menu. You're only gonna see the cloud storage. And for some reason your SD card is not working, so I just come here to the memory SD card, and I can select that I'm going to record on the memory card, the schedule 24/7, and I just need to format the memory SD card. So just hit OK and wait for it to format. And remember, if you don't see the menu here for the SD card, that's because your SD card is not supported, or the capacity is too high, and then it's not going to work, right? So make sure that you have this menu here available for memory card storage. Right now I'm using a Lexar card with 32 gigabytes, so you just need to make sure the capacity for the card is good, and you're good to go, right? So basically, that's the way you're gonna insert the SD card and format for a Cinnado camera, and then just starts working. I hope that helps. Leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next video.